Alright, everyone. Alright, everyone, let's get started. Tonight, we're gonna draw Forever Night from the Ben 10 reboot. Forever Night is one of the main enemies from the Ben 10 reboot. And wow, he's changed a lot. I consider this one of my favorites. He was seen in this Ben 10 reboot special when Ben actually took his side and in some plots to bring gone and track down alien encounters in the past. But good thing for him, he was beaten down by Kevin 11 and was sent to the past. Ben never saw Forever Night again. But unfortunately for him, he managed to... Unfortunately for him, Forever Night turned out to be a robot. And ended up transforming into a spider head. A spider walker. When are we gonna see Forever Night again? Well, only the Ben 10 series will tell us when. Go. Now we just draw his chest. Now we just draw the shoulder pad here. There we go. Alexa, play the Barbarian and the Troll theme song. Alexa, who is the Black Knight?
According to Wikipedia, Dane Whitman is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. The third character to bear the Black Knight name, he was created by writer Roy Thomas and artist John Buscema, and first appeared in the Avengers number 47.
There we go. go. There we go. Alexa, play the Barbarian and the Troll theme song by Barbarian and the Troll cast.
The Barbarian and the Troll theme song by the Barbarian and the Troll cast on Amazon Music.
A troll burned his bridge, a warrior lost her crown. I'm not being poetic, that's literally
Oh man.
down.
Sorry about that, folks.
Has begun combining might
Sometimes
and
the
melody.
winds can be a real menace.
Demon and find their true family. The barbarian and the troll. The barbarian and the troll.
There we go. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go.
On his bridge, a warrior lost her crown. I'm not being poetic.
What was that?
That's literally what went down.
Fine, I just got started.
Journey has begun combining might and melody to quest and smite a demon and find their true
Okay.
family.
Right.
The barbarian and the troll. The barbarian and the troll.
Here are his weapons. A giant plasma lance. Here's the scythe here. Here's the wrecking ball. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Burned his bridge, a warrior lost her crown. I'm not being poetic, that's literally what went down. Together their journey has begun combining might and melody to quest and smite a demon and find their true family. The barbarian and the troll.
Here's the shield here.
Barbarian and the troll.
Go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Burned his bridge, a
Alexa, play it
warrior
again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go.
went down. Together their journey
Here is
has
his
begun
shield,
combining
his
might
golden
and
shield of
melody
justice.
to quest and smite a demon and find their true family.
One thing I don't get though, in the original series, the Forever Knights relied on alien technology for their own benefit, including slaying monsters. How did the Forever Knights even find out about alien technology in the first place?
A troll burned
Those
his
guys are
bridge,
maniacs.
a warrior lost her crown.
Why can't they have joined the side of justice?
Literally what went down. Together their journey has begun combining might and melody to quest and smite a demon and find their true family. The barbarian and the troll. The barbarian and the troll.
And one last thing we gotta draw is his mighty cape.
A troll burned his bridge, a warrior lost her crown. I'm not being poetic, that's literally what went down. Together their journey has begun combining might.
There he
and
is.
melody to quest and
The
smite
almighty
a demon
Forever Knight
and find their true
is now ready for a fight.
The barbarian and the troll.
I told you I'd get the chance to draw him, didn't I? Anyways, glad you enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. And be sure that the next one will be on the side of justice. Stegosaurus, see you later.